Hello students and welcome to the online platform of our school. Here is your Miss Hemlata back to provide you online classes, and today I am going to discuss about animals around us. Firstly, we are getting a small text. Farzana was getting ready for school when she heard Shiru, the stray dog, whining. She noticed that Shiru was limping. She told her mother about it. Mother promised to take Shiru to the vet in the evening. So Farzana saw a stray dog. Stray dog means stray animals mean the animals are not where they should be. They may become our pets, even they may become our domestic animals, but they are not at their proper place, so they are called stray animals. And Shiru was whining, it was crying, and limping means Shiru was unable to move properly as it had got hurt or pain, so it was limping. Vet means the doctor who treats animals, who cures animals. Okay. During the drawing class, Farzana looked outside the window. She saw a squirrel run past. Inside the classroom, she saw a long line of ants entering a hole. The ants were dragging a dead insect much bigger than themselves. So many animals live around us, Farzana wondered. She became surprised. There are animals all around us. Some animals are big, some are small, and some are really tiny. Tiny means very small. Domestic animals. We know that there are different kinds of animals found on the earth. Okay, so it is about domestic animal. In class 1, we knew that the animals that live around us and help us in many ways are called domestic animals. But what is here? Some animals live with us in or near our homes. They are called domestic animals. So students, you have to mention that the animals that live around us and help us in many ways are called domestic animals. If you write the full answer, then you will get good marks. Otherwise, you will not get enough marks as you are in class 2. So what are the examples of domestic animals? The examples of domestic animals are cats, hens, buffaloes, cows, horses, right? They are helpful to us in many ways. Big domestic animals that live in the farm are called farm animals. So some domestic animals live in farm. They are called farm animals. For example, cows, buffaloes, goats, hens, then goats, sheep, they all live in farm. And how they are helpful to us? Surely, farm animals are also helpful to us. They are also a type of domestic animals. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. We get wool from sheep. Honeybees give us honey. We get eggs from hens. We get meat from chickens and goats. Oxen, horses and donkeys carry loads. So they all are helpful to us, right? Some animals live with us in our homes as our pets. We all love to keep pets at home. People keep dogs, cats, fish, birds and turtles as their pets. Pets become a part of our family. We give them food and shelter. We love our pets, right? Because they are playful beings. We love to play with them too. There are some unwanted animals that live in our homes too. So what are some unwanted animals? Lizards, cockroaches, mice, ants, flies, mosquitoes are some such animals. They are not our pets. Okay. Now wild animals. Some animals live far away from us in the jungle. We may see them at the zoo. They are called wild animals. Okay. For example, lion, tiger, rhinoceros, giraffe and wolf are some wild animals. Wild animals search for their own food and find or build their own shelter. Okay, we do not provide their shelter, but we provide domestic animals their shelter, but we do not provide wild animals shelter, and we do not provide food also. They search for their own food and find or build their own shelter, and mostly they live in jungles, and we may see them at the zoo also. We can see some wild animals in the zoo. So here are some pictures of the animals that are kept in zoo also. How animals move? We walk or run to move from one place to another. How do animals move? An animal moves according to the shape of its body and where it lives. Okay, some animals walk, some hop, some swim, some fly, and some crawl. So there are different habits of moving. Land animals like the lion or dog have legs to walk and run, right? So they use their legs to walk and run. Fish live in water and have fins to swim. So fish have fins to swim. So fish uses fins to swim. Ducks, geese and swans live in water and have webbed feet to swim. So it is the picture of a webbed foot. What is webbed feet? The toes of the animals are joined together with a thin layer of skin. So these are toes, these three are toes, and they all are joined with the thin layer of skin. So these are called webbed feet. So ducks, geese and swans use webbed feet to swim. Okay. Birds have light bodies and wings to fly. The kangaroo hops and snails crawl. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. So which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah is the fastest land animal. It can run very fast. The sloth is one of the slowest animals. So students, there are more names of other animals who move very slowly. It is your task to find them out. Okay? What animals eat? Animals eat different kinds of food to live. Some animals eat leaves of plants, small plants, grass, fruits and flowers. They are called herbivores or plant-eating animals because they all eat plant, right? So they are called herbivores or plant-eating animals. For example, the deer, elephant, horse, sheep and cow are plant-eating animals. Okay? Because they all eat plant, the parts of plant. Okay? Some animals eat the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores or flesh-eating animals. For example, lion, tiger, leopard and fox. Okay? Some animals eat plants and also the flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. The bear and mouse are omnivores. Okay? Because they eat both the plants and flesh of other animals. So they are called omnivores. Human beings are also called omnivores. You know why? Because when human beings eat both the plant and the flesh of other animals, they are called omnivores, right? Animals such as the vulture and jackal eat the flesh of only dead animals. Okay? Taking care of animals. Animals are our friends. We should take care of them. We should take good care of them. We should give our pet proper food and a clean place to stay. We should not be cruel to animals that live in the farms. We should give them food and shelter. Some animals such as the horse and bullock are used to pull carts. So they are very useful, right? They help us. Some animals work with the farmers in their fields. You can see the picture. We should not make them work for very long hours. They should get proper rest. Okay? Jungles are the homes of wild animals. We should not cut trees in the jungle as the wild animals would lose their homes. Hunting wild animals for fun is also wrong. We should not hunt wild animals. In the zoo, we should never tease the animals. We should not give them food or water. They might fall ill because the zookeeper provides the necessary food and water to the animals kept there. So we should not give them food and water because we do not know the habit of eating. The habit of eating of the animals kept there. So we should not provide them food or water. They might fall ill. So students, this video ends here. Hope you have enjoyed this class. You have to read this text nicely. Thank you.